For years, AI was the dream of every big company. Faster work, lower costs, endless innovation. But suddenly, something changed. The same companies investing billions in AI are now quietly afraid of it. Why? Because AI is no longer just a tool. It's becoming something they can't fully control. AI exploded globally after 2022. By 2026, nearly every major company is using AI daily. But behind this rapid adoption lies a hidden reality. Most companies are struggling to make AI actually work. Backhand index pointing right fact. 79% of companies face challenges adopting AI doesn't just change tools, it changes power. It decides who is valuable and who is not. Backhand index pointing right fact. 95% executives say AI is changing roles and team structures. Writer.com. Some employees are becoming AI elites, while others are being replaced. AI could impact up to 60% of jobs in advanced economies. Companies aren't just adopting AI, they're redesigning the entire workforce. Backhand index pointing right ad. 300 million jobs exposed to AI automation globally. This creates fear, not just for workers, but for companies themselves. The scariest part? Even AI creators don't fully understand where it's going. Backhand index pointing right fact. AI systems are becoming too complex to fully predict or control. Small mistakes can scale silently into massive problems. AI isn't just powerful, it's risky. Companies are now facing data leaks, cyber attacks, and compliance risks. Facts are, 67% executives believe they've already had AI-related data breaches. One wrong AI decision can cost millions. Governments are catching up fast. AI is now one of the top global risks for businesses. New laws, restrictions, and lawsuits are making companies nervous. AI can lie, hallucinate, and even discriminate. If AI fails, customers don't blame the machine, they blame the company. Fact are, AI bias, misinformation, and privacy issues are major risks. And trust, once broken, is impossible to rebuild. So here's the truth. Big companies aren't scared of AI replacing humans. They're scared of AI becoming uncontrollable. The future will belong to those who control AI, not those who blindly trust it. Because once AI crosses a certain point, there may be no turning back.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting and informative videos. See you in the next video.